Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from Kensington.com. It's the SD5350T Thunderbolt 3 docking station with SD card reader. Turns your laptop into a desktop powerhouse. It's a robust all-in-one dock that takes advantage of Thunderbolt 3 technology for data transfer speeds. It lets you download a 4K movie in 30 seconds or back up a year's worth of continuous MP3s in 5 minutes. It's best for Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4 laptops, ultrabooks, and monitors that support up to 4K. It's got connection technology. Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4 laptops are supported at Thunderbolt 3 features. USB-C power delivery supports up to USB-C PD 3.0, 60 watts of laptop charging. It's compatible with Windows and Mac and will support up to 2 monitors. It's got video output of 1 HDMI 2.0 and optional secondary monitor via included USB-C to HDMI video adapter. Maximum resolution supported on a single monitor is 5K and on dual monitors 4K. It's got plug-and-play installation without need for drivers or downloads, and it works with Thunderbolt 3 or 4. It is not backwards compatible with 1 or 2, so keep that in mind, and you should be able to enjoy it. Warranty is up to 3 years. You can find this at Kensington.com. We got a chance to plug it in, test it out, run it through all different schemes, schematics, and it rock and rolls and does a great job for you. And of course, it's built by Kensington. Check it out on their website and tell them Chris Voss sent you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.